so here's a quick little rundown on what I would bring on the Camino as a lady. So over here we have, okay, so this is a colder one. Last couple of years I just had 2 pairs of shorts. This time I'm bringing 1 pair of shorts and 2 pairs of pants because it's supposed to be colder. I've got 2 shirts, merino wool shirts. They are the best. They don't smell. They dry really fast. When you wash them, don't put them in the dryer because it will shrink. Sock liners. So you put that on first. First, actually, you put on, where is it? Over here. Better Blister Blocker. It's actually a really good brand, or you can do Vaseline, which Chad likes more. But I like this because it's just a roll on and then your hands don't get all gross. So I put that all over my feet. I get lamb's wool, which is amazing stuff. It helps with blisters if you have them. It also prevents blisters. I stuff those down at the bottom wherever I need it. So there's already one in here from last year. Forgot to take it out. Anyway, so you put all that stuff on, put the toe liner or the sock liners on. They're like little gloves for your feet. And then your merino wool socks right over it. And hopefully no blisters this year. Gloves this year, they're just really thin ones, but it'll help because it's gonna be cold in the morning. Never brought gloves in the past. It would have been nice to have it a couple times. It was cold. Last year we didn't need them. Much warmer Camino, it was fine. My knee brace, because this one's gonna be very mountainy. The first one I needed it, last year I did not need it. And then I have a fanny pack, which is just easy to get to. I can put our passports in here, our pilgrim stamp passport that you get stamps every day, so everything fits right in here. My phone, glucose tablets if my blood sugar goes low. And then we have our headlamp, because I'm guessing we're gonna be leaving earlier in the morning, so you need that because otherwise it's pitch black. Hats. 2 different hats. Regular baseball hat. This hat is really actually cool. I love it. Here's our poncho. I haven't opened it up yet though, but of course it's pink. Here's our backpack covers if it rains. This is just a jacket. These are our towels, our shower towels. We'll probably need them. A lot of places have them. Here is our head net for mosquitoes, obviously, bugs like that, gnats and stuff like that, which we used the first year.
Flies, gnats, crap everywhere. The bugs are actually a hell of a lot better. Problem solved. Yay. Well, the good news is this doesn't feel awkward at all.
Last year we did not need them. And then flip-flops for when you are done hiking, want to take a break, get those shoes off, get the socks off. That's all the clothing stuff that I'll be wearing. I'm gonna need toiletries, obviously. We have shampoo and conditioner because a lot of the places don't have that stuff. I don't know if the guys need conditioner. I definitely need conditioner for this hair. Bar soap. You need bar soap. And little bar soap carriers, toothbrush, toothpaste, women's stuff. I think that's it. Deodorant. So as far as sports bras, for women, sports bras, maybe for guys. Things that quick dry. You need, all your clothes need to be quick dry. So sports bras, quick dry, and underwear, quick dry, because you need them to dry overnight, because you're only gonna bring like 2 pairs of underwear. So you're constantly washing one, you have to have it dry overnight, which this weather that we're going on might be tough, so it'll be interesting if it's raining. But anyway, I think it's like a polyester spandex type of material for your underwear. Some of the places that we go to have laundry machines and washers, and the big cities will have laundromats, so you have to pay for all that stuff. Like what, 3 or 4 euros or something like that each. When we hand wash, which we end up doing a lot, just in a tub or a sink, whatever they provide for you, we have these laundry detergent strips. They're like this big, and it's like 3 splits. So if you have a big load, put all 3 in, just tear off however much you need, and it works really well. We have carabiners here, which are really good, like the big heavy duty ones. When we go into wherever we're gonna stay, like a bunk and stuff like that, it's nice to be able to hang them up so they're not on the floor or on the, don't put your backpack on the beds. But it's just nice to keep them off the floor. And then I like the small ones for when we take showers. Our towels have little hook things, whatever, so we can hang up. Because a lot of the showers there, they don't have like hooks or anywhere to put your towels and stuff, or like your clean clothes and stuff. So it's nice to bring a bag in and hang up your clothes in it, or hang up your towels so it doesn't get wet. Okay, so these safety pins come in really good handy when cleaning your clothes and you need to dry them on the clothesline. And it's easier for people, it's easy for people not to just unclip it with the clips that they give you there, because it's kind of a lot of work to put this on. And if our socks from the day before don't dry all the way, and you might have to rewear socks, you can clip them on the back of your backpack for the whole next day. Here are my earphones. And then we have these shoes. These are my walking shoes. They're Ultra Olympic 6, I think. Trail running shoes. The first year we wore the Hokas. They were very cushiony, but they were too tight. Like I couldn't find anything wide enough with them. They actually ended up being uncomfortable. So we switched last year and got Ultras and did not get one blister, either of us. Super comfortable. It's super wide, as you can see. Really, really wide. Really good checking on the bottom, whatever it's called. And so we got the same ones this year, but this is a better, the newer one style version, and these are more padded. Thank goodness they figured that out. Another important thing to consider, very important, is your backpack. This is the Osprey backpack. The first year, I don't remember what I had. It had the frame in the back of it, which kept it cooler, and it was super, super comfortable. But then we got the bed bug thing.
Through to the whole bed bug, washing, drying, trying to get everything as clean as we could.
And so I had to get rid of everything. Last year, I don't know the brand either, but I got a cute purpley pink one, whatever, lavender color one. It was terrible. There was no frame in it. It just did not sit on me right. My back hurt, my lower back hurt. It took me probably a good week just to get it comfortable on me. I threw that one away because it was terrible. Fortunately, Chad's brother Sean got Chad this backpack for Christmas last year. Chad really likes his backpack that he used last year, so I'm lucky enough to be able to use that one. So thank you, Sean. This is a 40-liter backpack, which is way more than what I need. I had 35 liters the last 2 years, and it was just about perfect. So this, I won't fill it all the way up unless I go shopping or something, but I'm gonna try not to. So as long as you don't fill it up, then that's fine. Just don't go crazy if you get a bag that's too big. Between me and Chad, I will have at least another pound, maybe a pound and a half worth of medication. So I'll have ice packs, or 2 of them, for all the insulin I have to bring. Then I'll have all my syringes I have to bring, Freestyle Libres, so quite a bit, but luckily all that stuff's pretty light. That's why I say a pound, pound and a half. Chad usually ends up carrying most of it anyway for me, so. All right, so my pack is exactly 10 pounds. That's pretty good. I can do 10 pounds. Because it's supposed to be how much of your body weight?
Ideally, you'd be around 10% of your body weight, but that includes water. So we'll carry probably close to a liter of water every day. So that's 2 pounds of water. So she's gonna be right around 12 pounds, which is absolutely fantastic.
This is my backpack. It fits nice. I love it. It's comfortable. Important thing to consider when you're buying a backpack for long walks like this is you need a belt. And the thicker, the better. Like last year I had a thin one and it sucked. So this is a nice thick one. And make sure that all your weight is resting on top of your hip. So you don't want it down here because that just pulls and it hurts your lower back. So make sure it's up here, tightens. Make sure you got one of these. I think you don't have to have it, but I like it. It keeps it just away from your arms, your shoulder pits and stuff. And as you can see with it sitting on top of my hip like this, you can see that there's barely any weight or strain on my shoulders. So it's a great backpack. I love it. With this backpack, I have a really nice airflow design right here. So it keeps my back cooler, and that's for having that frame on the back, which I think is really important. I have on the back, I have the big one clipped at the top so I can hang it easily wherever I need to hang it. And then I have my flip-flops hanging with the carabiners, and it's just easy to get to. If you want to take your shoes off, just having a break, you're having some water, sitting down having a snack, and you decide to take off your socks and shoes, but you still need to walk around a little bit, go back in and buy something to drink or eat, you have your flip-flops right there. Easy peasy to get to.
Glad you have your flip-flops with you, but everyone's gonna wanna know, is Tweety coming on this trip?
Of course Tweety's coming on this trip with us. I can't live without him. I've been his fan since, I don't know, 15, 14 years old.
When we first met, you had a Tweety shirt on.
I did. Anyway, I will see you on the trails. Next time, I'll see you on the Camino.